Konnichiwa, travelers. Welcome back to Hack the Horizon, where we unlock the secrets of the world's most incredible destinations. Our digital compass points east today, guiding us to the land of the rising sun, Japan. A place where ancient traditions dance with cutting-edge technology, where serene landscapes coexist with bustling cityscapes. We're about to share some essential tips to make your Japanese adventure unforgettable. So grab your notepads, and let's dive right into this captivating journey through the heart of Japan. Tip number 1. Embrace public transport. Picture this. You're in Japan, where punctuality isn't just a virtue, it's practically a national sport. The trains are as reliable as they come, always spotless, and they run like clockwork. Now, imagine having the freedom to hop on and off these trains as you please with a Japan Rail Pass. This golden ticket grants you unlimited access to most JR trains nationwide. It's a must for explorers. Tip number 2. Stay connected. When journeying through the captivating landscapes of Japan, you'll surely want to capture and share every precious moment. That's where your trusty sidekick, Pocket Wi-Fi, comes into play. This little device is a game changer, providing you with unlimited internet access across the country. Whether you're posting a snapshot of a serene temple or streaming a bustling Tokyo street, Pocket Wi-Fi ensures you're always connected to the digital world, offering unlimited internet access wherever you go. Moving on to tip number 3, cash is king. Despite being a global leader in technology, Japan has a surprising fondness for the tangible. From the bustling markets of Tokyo to the tranquil tea houses of Kyoto, cash transactions are often preferred. So, when you're packing for your adventure, remember to bring more than your credit cards. Keep a healthy stash of yen in your pocket, ready to pay for that delicious bowl of ramen or a unique keepsake from a local vendor, especially in rural areas. Tip number 4. Mind the manners. Japan is a culture steeped in respect, where the subtleties of etiquette are as diverse as the land itself. From the gentle bow when greeting others, to the simple act of removing your shoes when entering homes, your actions can speak volumes. And let's not forget the onsens, those serene hot springs. Here, manners take a front seat, with specific rules to follow for a harmonious soak. Be mindful of local etiquette, especially in onsens or hot springs. And tip number 5, explore beyond the cities. While the neon lights of Tokyo and the ancient temples of Kyoto hold undeniable allure, the heart of Japan often resides in its lesser-known corners. Venture to the tranquil town of Takayama, nestled in the Japanese Alps, brimming with traditional charm. Or journey to the untouched beauty of the Noto Peninsula, where time seems to stand still. It's in these uncharted terrains that you'll uncover the authentic spirit of Japan, for a truly authentic experience. There you have it, 5 tips to ensure your trip to Japan is as smooth as the silk in a kimono. We've journeyed through the efficiency of Japan's public transportation, the necessity of staying connected, the importance of keeping cash handy, the elegance of Japanese manners, and the charm of exploring beyond the cityscapes. Remember, in this land where the ancient and ultra-modern seamlessly intertwine, every corner holds a new revelation. So whether it's the neon-lit streets of Tokyo or the serene cherry-blossom-filled landscapes of rural Japan, every experience promises a story worth telling. As we wrap up this voyage, consider joining us on more global adventures by hitting that like button. Better yet, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the secrets we unlock about the world's most incredible destinations. Sayonara and happy travels.